Hey guys, in this video we're going to be doing a Prime Opinion survey app review, and I'll give you the pros and cons of the reason I am recording like this instead of the actual, website. So if you have been grinding on this for a few months, then honestly it's a little, solid side hustle. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but for a few bucks here and there, it's pretty reliable. And you can mostly just use it to kill time on your commute or during commercial breaks. The app, it's fast, it's clean. You do get fast payouts, so you can actually cash out to PayPal or a bunch of gift cards with a low minimum, $5, hits your account almost instantly. It's a huge win over the other sites that make you wait forever, okay, and keep dragging it along. There's also a good survey flow. So the app itself, tries to match you with relevant surveys. And it's not a total waste of time. You don't get screened out as much as some other platforms. Now, the cons is, first of all, there is a screen out, so you still get disqualified sometimes, which can be super frustrating, especially after you've answered a dozen questions. Now, the other thing, which a lot of people are having issues with as well, is account issues. Okay? I have seen a lot of users here complain about getting their accounts locked for no reason at all. So that's a risk to be aware of. Okay? And also, this is not a gold mine. The hourly rate is pretty low. So don't expect to make a ton of money. It's just for pocket change, it's not for paying rent. So if you found this helpful, you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.